What you start your day with really matters. As a former teacher and school principal, I know what's in your belly impacts your brain and learning. So send your babies off to school with healthy, nutritious brain food that gets them ready for learning. Let's turn our organic multigrain pancake mix into some delicious, whole grain, organic muffins for a quick, easy, and healthy start to your day. What we need is 1 cup of our organic multigrain pancake mix, a half a cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We'll put the batter into a greased muffin tin. We'll put this in our oven at 375 for about 12 to 15 minutes. So these muffins are great for making ahead of time. So you can wrap them up individually, put them in the freezer, and just grab and go for breakfast. But they're super healthy, whole grain, great for your kids, great for you. Multigrain muffins. Yeah. For more recipes and great organic breakfast mixes, and to find our other products online, go to wareaglemill.com. From our family to yours.